So right here, as you can see, it says Donovan's Jamaican grill sauce. So I think this guy's name is Finger. So this guy's name is Finger. His real name is Donovan. He makes this fantastic grill sauce. So today what I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna make a oven jerk chicken. Never done that before. Usually do all my jerking outside. So today only today, we're gonna use Donovan sauce and make some oven jerk chicken. Stay tuned for the video. Stay tuned for the vibe. Crazy Chef, hit that like button. Please, just hit that like button. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You can go check him out. He sells it. So what's going on over here? Why is he not saying anything? So for this oven jerk recipe, I'm using a Longhorn grill seasoning. Because I like to use powder and spice. You know, that adobio. Some of that shit on there. And some Larry's on there. And our main ingredients is the Donovan Jamaican grill sauce. So that's our main ingredients. And that's gonna give us our jerk. Put a lot on there. And it's supposed to be hot, so see how that goes. A little bit of oil. And then we're gonna mix that up. So we're gonna mix this up, and for best result, you wanna you want to put it in, you want to leave it overnight. If you can't leave it overnight, give it like a good 5 hours. But anyone who makes jerk knows for best result, you want to leave it overnight. You want to get it nice, get that nice marinate. You don't get it in there. But if you don't have the time to leave it overnight, just give it like 5 hours, 3 hours, just to get that vibe. So we're gonna let it marinate for a while. Then we're gonna come back and do one thing. So I'm gonna put chicken in. Juice right over. Oil is going to help with tenderness and taste. And you know, the best jerk you can get is outside on the grill. Me personally, I don't like to use gas. I use coal or wood. But if you don't have time for outside, if you don't have a grill, this is how you would make jerk chicken in your oven. So we'll put our chicken in our oven. We're gonna start at 350, then we're gonna move up to 415. So for the first 45 minutes, we're gonna bake it at 350, and then for the next 20, we're gonna take the foil off and we're gonna bake it at 415. So now we're gonna set up a phase 2. That's the first part for jerk chicken. Back in the oven for 20 minutes at 415 degrees. When we pull it out next time, it's going to be nice, golden brown, and ready. So this is our oven grilled, oven jerk chicken. Simply the best. So take a piece, chop it up. oven jerk. So that's our oven jerk. It's our homemade jerk sauce. Nice color. You can see the spice. That's Donovan's grill seasoning. And finished product with some jerk spice. Some homemade jerk sauce and a couple festivals.